Guys, what is up? Welcome to this video review about the Zen Cortex. Ever thought about, your hearing, maybe it's not doing so good, you realize you're a person who's already having difficulties, because nowadays everybody at different stages of lives, like young people, the elderly, everyone suffers with hearing loss. It could be due to pollution. It could be due to loud headphones, music on all the time, lots of things, even the things we eat. So that is where the Zen Cortex comes in. And today I'm going to show you how this natural supplement that has 20 carefully selected ingredients in it can support healthy hearing and also healthy cognition. Listen up, guys, okay? But if you do want to purchase the Zen Cortex, I left their official webpage link just below this video in the description box. So you can go directly there to study more about it, read a little bit more about it, and then hopefully place an order. But guys, what the Zen Cortex basically does is that it supports healthy hearing, it strengthens up your memory, sharpens your mental acuity, and it is plants ingredient only, no stimulants, and non-habit forming. So when we talk about the ingredients, it is phenomenal. Gymnema, sylvestre, grapeseed, green tea, maca root, astragalus, capsicum, chromium, panax, these types of ingredients. If you've realized, this is a list of only natural ingredients that can support healthy inflammatory response that improves blood flows to your ears. They have antioxidants that protect your ears, anti-inflammatories that removes out inflammation. So there's a lot of amazing benefits that Zen Cortex has to offer you with, especially it has neuroprotective properties and supports auditory health as well as boosts up your energy as well. Now, if you're a person who, wants to stay away from hearing devices, you want to stay away from medications, then Zen Cortex is actually standing out in the market because of its powerful components and because it delivers fast results as well. And since it comes as a liquid form supplement, it can be used so quickly and so easily. You fill its little glass dropper up, you pop it in your mouths, and that's it. Making sure you're doing this every single day, best in the morning because it will help you with energy. You're going to start to get amazing results within the first month, but just make sure you finish your treatment correctly, because lots of people who have turned to Zen Cortex are really proud with it. They're really happy that they're having healthier cognition, healthier hearing, so you can have these results as well, guys. Oh, and before I forget, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. In case you need a refund at some point, you just talk to customer service and they're gonna help you out, all right? But for now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope I managed to help you guys out. Bye.